All right, welcome back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to tackle examples where it involves a multiple of an angle. Okay, and how do we handle those? So we've done these before, right? So let's solve this and see how we would handle it. Okay, so we're just going to use the techniques, algebra properties that we know. So I'm going to isolate the trigonometric function. So I'm going to add 1 to both sides. And that's going to give me what? That's going to give me 2 cosine 3t is equal to 1. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 2, right? And so this is going to give me cosine of 3t is equal to 1/2. Okay, now, I've talked about u substitutions before, right? So that means if I just look at this angle, right, and just think of this as u, right? So what angle of cosine, right? Cosine of what angle equals 1/2? Just think about that. The cosine of what angle equals 1/2? Well, this would have to be a 60-degree angle. So we know the cosine of x, so think about this over here. Note cosine of x equals to 1/2 when x equals pi over 3, right? And cosine is positive only in the first and fourth quadrant. So pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. But we're dealing with, so this means, in other words, what we have to do is, in other words, we're saying, hey, so this is true when what? When 3t equals pi over 3 or 5 pi over 3. So to solve for t, right, just divide everything by 3. So that means this is true when t is equal to pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. Okay? And so, of course, if we want the general solution then, right? Because over here, the general solution over here would be x equals pi over 3 plus 2n pi. And 5 pi over 3 plus 2n pi. Well, in that case, we would have to divide this term by 3. And so the general case would be t is equal to pi over 6 plus 2n pi over 3 and 5 pi over 6 plus 2n pi over 3. That would be the general solution, where n, of course, is an integer. All right. Have a great day.